Hey guys, this is Inhan, a review of a product, and for today I have this blender. This is for the brand Premium. It is a hand mixer. The color obviously is black because I love this. It combines with all my stuff in the kitchen, and for me this is the best kitchen assistant that you can have. I must say that it's not heavy and that helps me to make things faster and easier and the kitchen. It is spectacular for making sauce. The only thing I don't like is that you can regulate the speed, but in the end it does the job perfectly, so I really like it. You just plug in this into the wall, then press here the button, leave it pressed, and everything is going to blend or mix with this. And for clean, just open, put this into the water, open it, put some soap, and that's it. It's very really beautiful for use. And obviously you need to take with your hands for doing, maybe do some this if you want to make some, I don't know, potatoes or something. And this is my review.